Hello everyone. Today's September 8th, 2022. I just picked up this beauty, the brand new 2023 Mirage Passport 10.5R in the seagrass color. So this is the 10.5. Huge fan of Hobie, and I just picked this up from our friendly friends at Fin Factory in Corpus Christi, Texas. So I am in love with this body style, the Rotomolded, just one color, beautiful. Right here we have the pedals, the rudder. Let's see, we're gonna have the seat right here. Looks like an owner's manual right in this one. The kick-up fins, I'm excited to have these kick-up fins. And it looks like we also have our paddle. So there's just a few things to put together, but overall beautiful. So again, today's September 8th, 2022. I look forward to getting in the water tomorrow. We're supposed to have really great weather out here in the Corpus Christi area. All right, we have a neat little package right here. Let's see what we got. This is exciting. So, product checklist video with the QR code if you want to check what your checklist, I'm assuming. Alrighty, we have this manual right here. Warranty activation for your kayak. Delivery checklist, a thank you, the detail to their packaging and to everything that they have. Man, it's the details with the Hobies. Exciting. Some stickers right here as well. Looks like we got some more right here in the package. 2 screws. Excellent. All right, and this, a kayak and eclipse gear. All righty, so some more products that you may need. Excellent. Pretty exciting. This is not a how-to, but just an unpackaging video. But with the 732s right here, what you do to put the pedal drives, you take these out right here to put the pedals in. You take these out, press the button up here, and you bring them in until it clicks, and then from here you just screw it back in. So this is the first setup, the first step in the setup. So the first step to putting this together, pretty successful. We got the pedal drive right here, and again, these are the kick-ups, so anything comes through these pedals, and I'm holding one with one hand and holding my phone with the other, so anything passes through here. Excellent. So pretty cool. Now we're gonna move on to the rudder. We need to put the rudder in the body, so let's take a look at this. So we're coming to the back right here. We have to remove this, and then we're gonna fasten the inserts to the back using 2 screws that were in our envelope. So let's get to do this. All right, this doesn't seem too difficult, but I'm learning as I go. So we have this little section right here that this is where it's gonna go. It's got 2 holes. We got one underneath as well for another screw right here. And it looks like we're gonna be bringing this thing into this right here. So we'll probably have to loosen this up as well. So let's see what the next steps look like. All right, so we got it installed. So it was 2 screws, one up here, one down here, easy. Then this part right here, we just have to kind of loosen it up for the steering knob to kind of go in here. We got that. When we're putting that in, the instructions say to have this in the center position, and we got a perfect steering rudder. And as I move it, you could see, sorry for my focus, but as you could see that it's turning as I turn the knob. Perfect, so we got it all set up. So this is the brand new 2023 Mirage Passport 10.5R. Thank you very much to the friends at Fin Factory in Corpus Christi. They have all the Hobie products that you need. They have all the Hobie kayaks, accessories, and if they don't have it, they'll do their best to get it for you. So if you're in the Corpus Christi area, Coastal Bend, South Texas, go check them out for any Hobie needs. So now that we have that installed, this is the kayak. Beautiful. Love how it's built. So this is not a full review to see how it performs in the water. I will be in the water tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. But it seems to have the same accessories as the 2022 and older models. This is just one color now. So it's beautiful. Wonderful kayak, love it. Alrighty, thank you for your time and hope to see you soon.